What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you exactly how you could get paid and make money online by watching YouTube videos. All right, now before we get started, if you haven't already, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so we could continue to share more content like this with you all. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and go right to YouTube. And what I've done is I found this trending video right here. All right. Now, this is a failed army video. And here, as you can see, within one day, 24 hours, this video has already generated 628,000 views. So that's a trending video. If nothing's a trending video, that's definitely one. So what we'll do here, we're just going to start right here by going ahead and getting the thumbnail for this video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just copy the link to the video and I'm going to go over to this site here called uthumb.net. Now here on uthumb.net, this site will allow you to download any image of a thumbnail straight from YouTube. Quick, fast, and easy. So all you have to do here is go here and you'll paste in the link to the YouTube video. And right there, as you can see, there's the thumbnail, large size, and we're going to just go ahead and download it. All right, so we've downloaded the image. Now, what's important for any offer, for anything that you're doing online, is traffic. Now, with traffic, there are several different platforms that you are able to use. But for this specific case, we're going to use a great platform that will generate us views and clicks, and more importantly, tons of traffic to our link. Now, we're going to go straight over here. We're going to go right over to no other than Pinterest. Pinterest, guys, Pinterest gets so many views, and this site will allow us to set up a pin to be able to generate traffic to this link. We're going to create a Pinterest pin. And it can be very simple, guys. It doesn't have to be too complex. But the main part, what we're going to do is we're going to use our thumbnail that we just downloaded to create our pin to post on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and get started with that. We're just going to start here with a blank Pinterest canvas. And now we're going to start building our very own Pinterest. All right, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and start building out our Pinterest pin. And so here, we're going to make it very simple. What we do want to do here first is we want to go ahead and give our Pinterest just a little background color here. Choose something like blue. You could choose green. I may like that green better. All right, so let's go ahead and get our thumbnail. All right, so let's enlarge it here to fit our Pinterest canvas. All right. Okay, there we go. And we're just going to add a little text here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just use something here from the YouTube video. Fail of the week. I like that. All right, so let's go ahead and start adding our text. Put something like watch crazy fail of the week. Okay. Gonna put that right here at the top. And you can stylize it a little more. You know, do something with the text. I'm gonna just leave it just like that. I like that. Okay. Then right down here, I'm just gonna add another one here. That just says viral video. And I'm gonna put watch now. I'm gonna enlarge that a little bit. Yeah, that's looking real good. It's looking real good for our Pinterest. And I want to add one other element here. Just to show it's a video here, I do want to add a little play button. Okay, there we go. I like this one here. Oh, yeah, that's looking real good. That's looking real good. All right, so we do have our finalized Pinterest pin. We're going to go ahead and download that so we could go ahead and get that over to our Pinterest. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to go straight over to Pinterest. We're going to begin to post and share our newly created pin. So here on Pinterest here, I'm going to go ahead and upload that Pinterest pin that we just made. All right, there we go. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. All right, so now here for the title of it, I'm just going to use a similar title here. So the way we'll be generating income for our views that we generate from YouTube is a site called ShrinkMe.io. Now, ShrinkMe.io, they actually pay you for getting clicks to your shrinked link. All right. So if you could see where we're going here, we're going to be using the viral video from Pinterest traffic to generate us money, guys. All right. Now, ShrinkMe.io pay you for every 1,000 views that you are able to generate. Now, they have several different tiers of payouts depending on the country that you're getting the traffic from. Now, if you know Pinterest gets traffic from worldwide. They're able to get ranked in the search engines. So it's a great source of traffic, guys. And you have the $1 sign up bonus. You have the minimum payout of $5. And you have a daily payout method. All right. And they have several different methods. You got your crypto, PayPal, bank transfers, and so on, guys. You could just see the list here. Now, for different countries here, they'll pay you up to $22 per 1,000 views, guys, per 1,000 clicks. So that's great. Okay. And they'll pay you as low as $4 or $3, I would say. So as low as $3.30 for any traffic that you're getting. But once you start getting up to the top tiers, you could clearly see that your pays will increase. So we're going to be generating thousands of clicks from Pinterest using our newly formed pin. So let's go over back to Pinterest. And here on Pinterest, what we're going to do here, we're going to add our destination link, guys. We're not going to use the specific YouTube video. We're going to use our ShrinkMe.io link. Okay. So let's go here. Let's go to newly shortened link. And we're going to paste that YouTube link right there. We're going to leave the expiration, everything there blank. Banner advertisement, that's fine. That'll be what will be generating us the money. All right, so now that we have our link, let's go ahead and copy that link and go back over to Pinterest, and we will paste in our link. And we're going to go ahead and keep that on post immediately. We're going to put that in a board here. And if you haven't created a board yet, definitely be sure to create you one to where you can publish. All right. And now we're going to publish our pin. And there you have it, guys. Now our pin is live. It's able to get traffic. And for every 1,000 views that we're getting, we're going to get at least $3.30 for. Okay. Some may say it's worth it. Some may say it's not. What I consider it as is passive income. Okay, that took how long? How long did that take? Didn't take any time to post. You may want to focus on really the higher tiers here. United States traffic, they'll give you up to $8 here. All right, $8 for every 1,000 clicks. And more importantly, you could post as many pins as you want. So when you're posting a bunch of viral type videos, you're able to post those videos, post those pins, and create your board. And more importantly, you're able to get that board to rank. That's the key. So once that thing is ranking, you're able to really generate unlimited amount of traffic and just really able to get that going. And it's another great source of income for you to generate those views just simply off of YouTube videos. So if you like this video, guys, definitely be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll be coming back with another video for you. And always, as usual, be blessed.